My name is Sujan, and this is my true story. For many years, English was my biggest fear. I could understand some words, but when I tried to speak, my mind became blank. My heart beat fast. My hands felt cold. I was always afraid people would laugh at me. In school, when the teacher asked a question in English, I knew the answer, but I stayed silent. I thought, what if my grammar is wrong? What if my pronunciation is bad? Because of this fear, I started believing one wrong thing. English is not for people like me. The turning point. One day, I watched an interview video. The speaker said something very simple but powerful. First, train your mindset. Language will follow. That line changed my life. I understood that my problem was not English. My problem was my mindset. I always thought in my mother tongue and tried to translate into English. This made speaking slow and confusing. So I decided to change one thing first. My thinking style. Mindset training. Begins. I started very small. Every morning I looked at simple objects around me and thought in English. This is a chair. I am drinking water. I am walking to the market. At first it felt strange. My mind resisted. But I did not stop. I also changed how I talked to myself. Instead of saying, my English is weak, I started saying, I am learning English every day. This small mindset change gave me confidence. Speaking without fear. I made a rule for myself. Fluency is more important than perfection. I spoke English alone in front of the mirror. I recorded my voice and listened to it. Sometimes I made mistakes, but I smiled instead of feeling ashamed. I told myself, mistakes mean progress. Slowly, something amazing happened. My mind started forming English sentences naturally. I stopped translating word by word. English started flowing from my thoughts to my mouth. The result. Today, I can think in English. I can speak without fear. I am not perfect, but I am confident. English is no longer my enemy. It is my friend. My message to you. If you want to speak English fluently, remember this. Train your mindset first. Think in English, not translate. Accept mistakes. Speak every day, even if it is simple. If I can do it, you can do it too. This is not just my story. This can be your story. If you want, I can also convert this into a YouTube storytelling script. Make image generation prompts from each scene. Write an SEO-friendly YouTube title and description. Simplify it more for beginners. Just tell me, Coney. Sure, I will continue the story in the same simple, easy, first-person style. Continuation. My English mindset journey. After some months, I noticed a big change inside me. Earlier, when someone spoke English near me, I felt nervous. Now, I listen carefully and try to understand the meaning, not every word. I stopped running away from English. I started watching short English videos every day. Not to memorize grammar, but to feel the language. Sometimes I did not understand everything, but I did not quit. I told myself, understanding will come with time. Keep going. Real-life practice. One day, I got a chance to speak English with a stranger. My heart was beating fast, but my mind was calm. I spoke slowly. I made mistakes. But I did not stop. And something beautiful happened. the other person understood me. That moment gave me great confidence. I realized one truth. People don't judge your English. They understand your intention. New identity. Now I don't say I am learning English. I say I am an English speaker in progress. This mindset changed everything. English became part of my daily life. I think in English I speak simple English I learn naturally. Final lesson from my life. English is not about talent. English is not about perfect grammar. English is about right mindset. Daily practice. Fearless speaking days became weeks. Weeks became months. English slowly became a habit, not a burden. Earlier, I waited for the right time to speak. Now, I speak whenever I get a chance. I stopped comparing myself with fluent speakers. I focused only on my own progress. Even one correct sentence made me happy. Facing fear. One last time. One day, I had to introduce myself in English in front of people. Old fear tried to return. My hands shook a little. But my mindset was stronger now. I took a deep breath and said, "Hello, my name is Sujan. I am learning English and I am not afraid of making mistakes." The words were simple, but my confidence was powerful. I finished speaking. No one laughed. Some people smiled. That day, I won over my fear. What I learned 3 important lessons. Thinking in English is more important than memorizing grammar. Confidence comes from mindset, not perfection. Daily small practice creates big change. English did not change my life in one day, but mindset training changed my English forever. My promise to you. If you are scared to speak English, remember me. I was once silent. I was once afraid. I was once confused. But today, I speak. Not because my English is perfect, but because my mindset is strong. After confidence came responsibility. After I became confident in English, something new happened. People started asking me questions. How did you learn English? How do you speak without fear? Can I also do this? Earlier, I was afraid to speak. Now people were listening to me. I understood one thing very clearly. My journey is not only for me. It can help others too. Helping others. I started sharing my simple methods. Think in English. Don't translate, speak daily, even if it's broken. Don't wait for perfection. Train your mindset first. I told them my truth. I am not special. I just didn't stop. When I saw others trying, making mistakes, and still smiling, I felt proud. English became freedom. English was no longer a subject. It became a tool. I could express my thoughts, share my ideas, speak with confidence, dream. Bigger English gave me a new voice. Looking back, sometimes I remember my old self, the silent boy, the scared speaker, the confused learner, and I smile because I know how far I have come. My final thought. If you are reading this and feeling afraid, remember, you don't need talent. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need the right mindset. Start today, speak today, make mistakes today. One day you will say, English was once my fear. Now it is my strength.